Okay, hello, my peoples. Today we are going to be decorating cakes that are gonna be looking like we're trying to recreate our cousin's cupcakes. That's it. And this is Ratchet Nailed It on Netflix.
No, because you do.
He does not want to. We're just gonna.
Yeah.
Bam.
Yes, it's fabulous.
Okay.
Oh
All right, explain all the cupcakes to me.
Okay, so first up, we have this.
explain. Okay. So first, we have the ladybug.
Yeah, it's a ladybug cupcake.
And then we have the campfire.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have the beach.
The beach cupcake, which is my favorite. Which one is y'all's
Turn
favorite?
around.
I like.
Which one is y'all's favorite?
There's 1, 2, 3. I like the ladybug.
The ladybug?
It's very nice.
Okay.
And happy.
All right, so start recreating. Good luck.
Okay. So first,
Hi.
It's just his channel, nobody else's channel. Just him.
Right.
Wow.
I need some scissors.
It's a ladybug. Elena, which one are you going to attempt to do for us first?
I am making the ladybug.
Okay.
I like
Good
it
luck.
a lot.
Good luck.
Layla.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Our back camera man, the cameraman.
Jenny is a cupcaking
I forgot. I
decorating
don't know
expert.
how to
Cupcaking
And if
expert.
you don't know who Jenny is, go
Decorating
check
expert.
out our other videos.
These are super adorable. As you can see, they
I
definitely
forgot.
reflect summer.
Oh my god!
An activity
Oh my god!
that happens when kids try
Girl,
to.
you gotta run, get something else.
It's
Go
fine.
get another bag.
It's good.
I
I can do this.
forgot. I don't know how to spread icing on cupcakes.
Oh no!
Then why you in this video?
Oh shit! Oh no! So sorry.
Family cooking. It ends up terrible.
It's funny. Anyway, let's just look at these while we wait. They're just so beautiful. And look at him.
you.
He's got
Thank
he's got
you.
the sunscreen on him.
I'm actually
That's
making.
your basic mom, your basic soccer mom, you know. Got a lot of
Yeah.
sunscreen.
Yeah,
Like
she's
it.
keeping her skin
Yeah.
safe. She don't want no melanoma. I'm working on that. Okay. You're so happy,
Yeah.
Elena. You're doing great. It's looking really good so
Messed
far.
up with the first bag.
Layla, stop.
This is Aiden's channel.
Yeah.
This is all about Aiden. Oh my gosh.
She's struggling.
The struggle is real.
Aiden, get down here, come on. You can't be up there, man. You're taking up the whole show.
He's like, I just really want these cupcakes to be mine.
I'll make you one separately later, okay?
Okay.
Aww.
Yay.
Oh,
You want a ladybug one? Which one do you want? I'll make it for you.
That one.
Okay, I'll make you a ladybug
You want
one.
a ladybug? They love that ladybug. All I heard was Aiden going,
easy to make.
ladybug, ladybug. Layla, wow. Okay, Layla. Second attempt at trying
Second
to
attempt. My
trying
first
to
attempt
do the
failed.
icing.
The struggle is real.
The struggle is really real.
Insert struggling music.
No.
That's all you hear is oh no.
Struggle.
It's definitely a struggle.
Mom.
Okay, moving on. I'm a bobbit.
Oh, that looks good, Elena.
Trying to fix.
What do you take?
I like it, Elena. It's very nice.
I didn't pop it.
You feel like you did it? All right. She feels like she did it. Nice. You got this.
Oh, that was. That
We don't want to get copy strikes, so that's enough for now. Thank you.
Well, we are famous, so we're not gonna get copyrighted.
No.
We're not.
Just in case those people out there.
There's people out there that will tattle.
Yes.
Tattletale.
Oh, Elena, I love it. That is a lot of red. That is going to be one bright, beautiful ladybug. I love it.
Shush! I am an artist in work.
You don't even like painting the whole canvas.
It looks beautiful. I like it.
Hey, I'm doing a different.
It kind of looks like a flower, Layla. It kind of reminds me of a flower, right?
It does.
I like it.
Beautiful.
It looks
I
like
like
real
it. Yeah, and it looks like flames. Little flames.
Look, a campfire.
Let's gather around.
If Elena can ever stop laughing. Elena, do you want to look at it again?
Huh?
Do you want to look at it again?
Okay, what?
Look at the ladybug so you can see what it looked like.
Okay.
You can pick it up if you need to. You can pick it up and put it over there and really look at it.
Oh, we're gonna add ice on.
Don't snitch it.
So whoa!
Those marshmallows do not want to be roasted.
There.
The
Perfect.
marshmallows are like, no, I ain't melting.
I don't wanna
I'm
be
not
here.
melting this time.
Shut up.
Ooh!
What I do? I'm not
Oh,
gonna
that is adorable,
That head's
Elena.
gonna fall.
I like it. It looks really nice.
No more.
make you. You ain't getting a ladybug. It ain't gonna happen.
That's beautiful, Layla. Definitely
No, it
looks
ain't.
like flames. It's beautiful.
I think she's gonna end up using all the icing.
Shush!
You got this. There's the ladybug. It's right over there in front of you. Just look at it and see what it looks like. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, so cute, Elena. Oh, I love it.
Got some pokey dots.
Got some polka dots.
Pokemon.
Oh, Layla, that's coming along great. Wow. Congratulations.
Look, Aiden, it's you.
Thank you.
Do you think she can nail it?
That's you.
Or will I fail?
That's you.
Nail it or fail it?
Ooh.
Yes, girl. Work.
Aiden ate all the marshmallows. Emergency.
Aiden ate all the marshmallows they set out. Aw, I'm so sorry.
Mommy, you like it?
Oh, I love it. Look at that ladybug. It is fabulous.
Now I think I need some eyes.
Yes, you do, baby. Good job.
Should I be extra and add more? No.
One eye?
Got one eye? One eye down?
What the heck?
Meanwhile, these two are over here.
I don't want to be in this.
And Aiden is putting the freaking top to the cup.
I'm
Really?
done.
That is so
We're
sanitary.
completed.
He is an astronaut. Oh.
Well done.
Oh, Layla. Okay, guys, put it side by side with Jenny's. And we're going to vote. How do you think it went? Did Layla nail it or fail it?
Alright, we gotta let them finish the rest though. Y'all just finish the rest.
Yeah, just finish the rest. If Aiden doesn't destroy the others.
Put it right.
That little marshmallow thing keeps falling off. It's like I do not want to get cooked.
Like,
Okie dokie.
that's not it.
Next
Not
one
it.
I'm doing is Tiny. Which one do you want to do?
You're gonna attempt the fire one?
You're gonna do the fire.
Actually, I think I'll do the peach one instead.
Okay.
That means I gotta do
umbrella
ladybug.
Mommy made. Okay.
And here's some icing.
Okay. First we need.
Pay really close attention to it.
We're just gonna put.
I almost can't can't tell which
Wait a
one
minute,
is
that was the
Jenny's
wrong
and which one
one.
is
It was this
Layla's.
one.
It looks really good.
I tried.
You did really good, Layla.
Oh, first we need ice.
I tried.
She added the same amount of
Oh,
pretzels
look at
too.
Elena's ladybug. Her ladybug's pretty good too. It's a nailed it. You guys should go on the show for real. I might sign you
nailed
up. Kids nailed it. They should create that for real. They really should. Aiden is
What if
pounding
we
the
had to
gavel
make-
like yes.
Booty.
What if we had to make a cake?
What is going on with that cupcake?
It came out.
Oh no. That's a textural problem. That's a mom problem.
Yeah, Mom.
Mom failed.
Is this my?
Mommy failed you guys.
You just failed me a lot, woman.
Oh, Elena's is holding up well. Good job, monkey. That's looking really fabulous.
Oh shoot, the whole
Catch
chunk
it.
just came out. Oh no.
Oh my gosh, Layla.
Sorry for headphone users.
Well, you are having a lot of fun, and that is what this is about. Having fun and enjoying your time.
Maybe I don't gotta even. I don't gotta spread it. I'm just gonna go.
That's what I was trying to do. Dang, look.
You got this, Layla. You got this.
That.
Okay.
Insert the music.
What now? Insert
We
music.
need this.
It's the time while we wait. Just suspenseful music.
Watch as she pours
ladybug gonna
the
be
red frosting. Will she be able to achieve the ladybug greatness?
It's gonna be a little.
It's killing me.
And she's going at it. Oh, she hit the wall. Oh, she hit it again. A second time. Third time's a charm. Third time's. Oh, whoa. She will be able to achieve all of this. Watch as she pours the black frosting to the face.
Oh, Elena's a champion. Crushing
Watch as she crushes them.
crushing
Oh
those
my gosh, she is
crackers.
destroying those crackers with her bare hands. You have never seen such madness before. Oh my god, look. Oh, she's struggling. Will she be able to pull through? You got this. Come on. Pull through. You can do it. You just gotta believe. And Layla's going at it with the dots. She's going at it with the dots. And you see Layla Ponce right there already going and almost finishing her second cupcake. Will Tiny be able to catch up?
Whoa, that is a chunky cupcake. I love her.
I told you she was gonna be thick.
She is a thick ladybug. Go, lady.
Done.
Oh my goodness, beautiful. Now look at the cupcake. What else do
Sorry,
you
who's
think
gonna
you
sit in
need?
this chair?
What else do you think you need on that cupcake?
Now I need.
Let's see it. Turn it around. Oh yes. Oh yes. That ladybug is fab.
And I will
We will place it.
place it.
Okay, what else do
There
I
is
need?
Layla's ladybug.
So do I go
Can I
into the
see
beach
it?
now?
Yes.
Oh wait.
Okay.
Now you go onto the beach, Layla.
It's too many.
Oh, Elena. Beautiful.
I'm gonna put you in. Thank you.
You're welcome.
don't need that much of this.
I think it's two. I think there's two of them to make it
Yes,
long.
there's two. That's why they give you two tiger.
Yes, there is two. Aiden is trying to punch you in the face.
fire
He hates.
I'm not making you that lady.
Okay, what else?
Uh-oh. You better be nice.
Graham cracker.
Done.
Oh.
Kill these graham crackers.
Elena, you're gonna put the sunscreen on your graham cracker. Go ahead, girl. You go. Put that sunscreen on it.
Where'd it go?
It's gone.
It's gone.
Uh-oh.
Disappeared.
I'm making the sand.
You're making the sand. Let's see. Let's get a close up on that sand. Oh my. Oh yes. Yep.
Aiden, look,
Beautiful.
Look what they're making. The cupcakes.
Take out them.
Which one do you like, Aiden? Which ladybug?
That one.
Oh, that one?
Oh.
What is that?
That's Elena's.
I put the
We should just have a show of Aiden making his own.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there.
They look great.
It'd be of
Oh,
all
he
cars.
fell off.
Just stick him back on there, girl. You got
I didn't
this.
look at it. I didn't look at it.
She needs
look at
it.
what?
She needs to look at the beach.
Oh.
Boy, where my umbrella? Oh.
Boy, where'd my umbrella go?
Okay.
This is what she's repeating.
Red float.
You got it. Got it.
It moved.
She's making sure her lifesaver looks fabulous on this cupcake.
There we go.
Good job.
I can't
Has
really
he been taking any drugs lately?
Not that we know of.
There's a little bear buried in the sand.
Who is your supplier? Sparkle.
Oh, Sparkles.
Oh my god.
Sparkles.
The person we least, the dog we least expect.
Yeah, a dog.
Yeah, a dog.
A dog.
A dog is his supplier. Oh my. You
I'm
already
done.
got this. Oh, let's see it. Oh my gosh, Elena, no, you didn't do this. This
Yeah, I did.
You didn't do this.
Yeah.
You did not do this.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. All right, put it in line. Put it in line.
Yep, put him in line right there.
That is fabulous.
Okay,
Where's
next.
the net?
I can't believe Elena
We're
did
gonna
that.
put Layla's back here.
We're going to line them up with each of
Next,
them.
the fire.
This is amazing.
Done. I completed them all.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Layla finished first.
Jenny.
Just
Jenny.
Zoom in on that. Okay, fabulous.
Digger. Digger.
Layla's done with her rendition of all 3 of the cupcakes.
There we
But Kira's done.
go.
Her little man is about to fall off of its beach blanket. Elena's doing her very last cupcake, which is the fire cupcake.
Hard.
so
That one is-
that one's Layla's.
This is Layla.
This one?
Oh, which one? Wait.
I thought it was this one.
Oh.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one's Layla's.
Yeah.
Tiny, this one's yours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hers more ice cream, icing on the bear.
Oh, okay.
He got a lot of sunscreen.
Yeah.
They don't want to.
He didn't want to burn.
You didn't want him to burn? Go ahead, girl. Wow, I can't believe how great of a job they did.
And then the white
It's
side.
crazy.
My eyes are mine.
Let's see how
I
Lena
haven't,
does
I haven't
on her
inspected
last
them all yet.
cupcake.
So.
And Jenny decides who the winner is.
I'm trying to make it look like it's up.
I'm gonna judge y'all each on
Hey,
every
no,
single cupcake.
I need these.
We're
Whoever
gonna
gets the
have-
most points.
How
you
Aiden, are you gonna vote on a cupcake?
No, ladybug.
Oh, okay. We're gonna ask you, and you can point to your favorite. Oh, good job, Elena.
Hurry, my ladybug's eyes are melting.
We have
Okay,
two
this is
judges
way
here.
better than I could have ever done at y'all's age, for real.
Marty Bear.
Hmm?
Marshmallows, yep. Aiden ate them all. We're done.
Airheads extreme. All right, what do you need?
Nothing.
You need one more thing. What is it?
The marshmallow.
There you go.
Hey, this is mine.
She's like, I'm planning on eating my leftovers.
Yeah.
That's my
Pizza.
favorite. Like, don't play with my Nutella. Nutella is it.
Nutella for
He's like, this is
eating,
it.
not for playing.
Yes. Everyone
He
should be
said
well
it. He
aware.
said this is it.
All right, put it down.
than mine with the booty.
Can you put it right here?
Put it down, girl.
With the
Put it
booty.
right
All
there.
It's
right,
better than
now we're
mine.
gonna go over to the judges.
No.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about.
scared.
We're gonna hear what the judges have to say.
Okay, well, so we have them in rows. This is Tiny's row. This is mine. This is Layla's, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it is mine.
I'm gonna take a look at the ladybugs.
It's so intense this morning.
Yeah, that's it.
They've worked so hard.
I didn't put a lot of frosting on mine, as you can see right here.
It's beautiful.
So we're gonna talk about Layla's first.
Yeah.
She didn't really, you know, make the lines exactly how mine are, and her lines were a bit
This is
thicker, so
mine.
it looks like the wings are going that
This
way,
is mine.
and it should be this way. So the ladybug looked like it just died, and somebody just rebuilt it again. It has dots in the middle, which is kind of weird. And I'm sorry, but
Nailed
it
it.
doesn't. I think she
Nail it
failed
or
it. I
failed
think she
it?
failed it.
Failed it. Dun,
No,
dun, dun.
we're gonna take a look at Tiny's. She did the same structure as mine,
Right.
although right here
Yeah.
she's kind of missing a bit of red where
Yep.
the wings are supposed to separate. But overall, she nailed it.
She nailed it.
She nailed it.
Nailed it.
So she has one for it.
Tiny has one win with her ladybug cupcake.
Here we have
rendition.
my campfire, CAMPFIROSONG song, campfire cupcake. And, you know, I added the flames at the bottom and the little wood and obviously the marshmallows because you can't have a campfire without marshmallows.
Right. Especially in the summer. We want those s'mores.
Right here, this one is Elena's.
Mm-hmm.
The structure of the wood isn't exactly like mine, and the fire is not a little too high, so, you know, gonna have to deduct a couple of points for that. But she did get the marshmallows to stay, and she did get the same amount of sticks and everything.
That's really good.
So, I'm gonna have to think on this one.
yeah.
I have to think on it.
Okay, let's get Layla.
Well, Layla's, she you know, did her own thing. She put the flames right there at the bottom. Her marshmallows aren't really, you know, up there, but they're still on, which is the most important thing.
At least they're there.
And she got the same amount of sticks as mine. So for this round, I'm gonna have to go for Layla.
yeah, Layla. Go ahead, Layla.
The last round is the
So the last round is the beach. You know, everybody loves
Final
the beach.
round.
This one's mine, you know.
This is
I got
Jenny.
a bear in the sand. You obviously have to have the floaty, and this bear, you know, he's not trying to get sunburned, so he's covered in sunscreen.
He's chilling.
Yes. Alright, we're gonna. This one, whose is this?
mine.
Okay, this one's Layla's. She got everything, the same as mine. She even got the sunscreen. I can hardly see it, but she. Oh. I can hardly
That's the
see it,
judge's fault.
but yeah, it's my fault.
You
We're just
won't
gonna
be.
ignore that. I can hardly see it, but Aiden's dying. So, end for this video. You know, she has everything. So I think she nailed
But the
it.
the color of the floaties are different. She chose a different lifesaver for hers.
Well, yeah,
but there you go. I mean,
she still has
it's
it all
still
there.
It's still there.
Time.
Still there.
This one is Tiny's.
That's Elena's cupcake.
She also she didn't get as much sand as I would like, so it looks more like they're in the snow and somebody just got obliterated.
Right.
tried.
But
You did very,
yeah,
very
she
well.
tried. The umbrella's kind of going down right there. We're just gonna. But she didn't get the sunscreen right here, which is kind of she did get the same color floaty though, so points for that. But you can hardly see the cookie, so it just looks like white frosting that's popped into the.
Yeah.
So
Just plopped it on.
for this round, it's hard. But I'm gonna have to give it to Layla. Although the floaty, I would have liked it to be my color because it looks exactly the same.
Right.
But I give the
So
point to
who
Layla.
won?
Layla.
Layla is the champion. We are the champions, my friend. Yes. Congratulations. Everybody clap for Layla. No sore losers here, Tiny. You did the best job on the cupcakes that I've ever seen. You're far younger than Layla. Let's give you some credit. And your ladybug, spot on. That
Mine
is
sucks.
a beautiful ladybug. Congratulations. All right, goodbye, everybody. Say goodbye. We hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, bye.